So my question for you, are we seeing Hamas essentially destroyed in Gaza, or are they further recruiting people and building up their numbers, building them back up?
Well, I think what we're seeing, and let me go back in time just a little bit, and if we go back to the early days of the war, it was estimated that Hamas had about 30,000 fighters scattered in some 24 battalions or brigades, depending on how you want to characterize that structure. And so when you look at that, 60% is a significant number of fighters. Now they're not all killed. That's killed and wounded. If we were looking at a traditional military structure, 60 to 70% of your opposing force taken out would render them combat ineffective. But as we know, as we're witnessing, Hamas launched a rocket strike earlier this week from Khan Yunis area. We know that Hamas is regenerating, and they're working in smaller level units, kind of using these hit and run tactics, and they're able to re-infiltrate the north, as I just said. So when you look at that, yes, they're being reinforced, if you will, from fresh fighters, but the core, very trained, very well trained fighters that they had on October 7th, those are being more and more eliminated.